Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Blitz Quick Tutorials. I'm Marisola, or Blitzen. Sorry we missed last week, but we're back anyways. And today I have a very simple move for you guys that is perfect for beginners. So if you guys want to find out what that is, stick around and find out. So before we jump in the move, I just want to remind you guys that you can still use my code BLITZEN at eAmazingLife to save 10% on any of your purchase. And now you can also use my code BLITZEN at ScummyBears.com. They do rave attire and all these other cool clothes, and yeah, it's really sick stuff. And you can use my code BLITZEN there and you can save an additional 10% off. So we're slowly taking over the world. But yeah, if you guys want to support me, all the money that I make from that stuff goes back into creating content and keeps this whole thing afloat for you guys. Anyways, here's the move for today. So we're combining a couple different things here. The most important thing is that this is a type of stacking move. So whenever we're basically stacking our hands on top of each other or going underneath, it's called stacking. Yeah, I just said that. Anyways, so what we're doing is now we're going to the side and we're incorporating a finger roll at the end. What it's gonna be doing is it's gonna be stacking, but it's gonna be on the side. So you can stack this way as well, right? It doesn't have to just be flat on top of your hands or beneath your hand. So what I'm going to do to start is I'm actually going to alternate my hands. I'm going to have my right hand facing down again. That's the one that's stationary. My other hand is going to be facing straight up. And what's going to happen is my left hand is going to flip, and it's going to flip towards my body. And as it's flipping towards my body, I'm going to rotate my right hand to the side. And when I do, right, so as soon as I'm flipping that hand towards my body, I'm rotating, and now both my hands are facing the wall over this way. Okay, and then to bring it back, I'm gonna flip back down and then flip back up. When I'm flipping down, my palm is coming back towards my body, my right hand is rotating down, and now my hands are both flat where I started before. So kind of just get that flipping motion down and getting your hands to stop precisely at the same time that you're flipping the other hand. And once you get both hands to connect up here, what you can do and what you saw that I did to transition out of this move was I went into a finger roll. So there's the move for today. It was a simple one. This was a very short video, but yeah, a good move. Make sure you guys replay it over and over and over again so you guys can get the concept down. And I have a couple other exciting things that are going to be coming up for you guys. One is Blitzen merch, and another is a way that you guys, because so many people ask me about what type of camera I use, what editing software. I'm gonna have a way that you guys can see all the stuff that I buy and you guys can purchase it for yourselves in a very easy, direct way, and maybe even save some money as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you liked it, go ahead and give me a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, especially if you like free gloving tutorials. There's a lot of places where you can pay people to learn this stuff. I'm teaching you guys for free. The only thing I'm asking for is that you just go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and that by itself means the world to me. So thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day. Bye.